Hello once again, dudes. This is the Code and welcome to the fifth tutorial in XHTML. In this tutorial, we're gonna be learning about more documenting using bold, italic text and some other text options. I wanna say something. In the last tutorial, I was kind of confused. Hope you understood all the things I said. Anyway, it's not gonna be like this in this tutorial. In this tutorial, gonna be, as I told you before, we learned a little bit about basic documenting, how you make a site look nice if you want to have some information in there. So in this tutorial, after the breaker, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna right fits. Alright, alrighty. I'm just gonna go ahead and do some more stuff. Now the first thing I want to do is add something called B. Now a B tag stands for bold, and it makes a bold text. Like if you want to type in author name, and then gonna type in Emil. Right. So bold text basically makes the text bold, and so that's basically bold text. Now down here you have another tag called I. Now I stands for italic, and you should already know what that means. First I'm gonna basically show you how the bold text do look. So if we go ahead and run this, as you can see here, it's the bold text, and you can see we didn't center it. I don't want to center it right now though. Now, as you can see, I'm first gonna go ahead and add something called strike. Now whenever you use strike on your text, it strikes the text over, like you said. I don't like programming here. You can say, for instance, right? You can say I love programming here. Alright, so if we go ahead and run this already, you'll see that it's on the same line, but here is strike text. Well, this is bold, strike, italic. So this is a few ways of different text. I'm just gonna add a little well, if we add it in a paragraph like here, that's the thing you can do with paragraphs as well. It keeps, like I said, in small chapters. So whenever you're using paragraph text on some text that already used, it's gonna give some good results. Cause it keeps it like chapters, so don't go like into each other like you saw there. But basically paragraph is mostly used to make normal text, but it keeps in chapters. As you can see here, this is more it's more cool to look at. So this is basically a little bit more documenting. There's a lot of things you can do with this. There's another thing I want to show you. If we go ahead and after our lorem ipsum text here, just gonna go ahead here, and I'm just gonna go over here, make a few more of these, and then say font. Now whenever you're using font, you tell it's something due to the text. Font is text, basically. It's another word for text you can use. It can mean other things as well, but basically font is text. So if you type in font size, you can decide the size of your text. So I'm gonna do a paragraph tag after this. Just gonna type in hello world, alright, and end it with another paragraph tag. And if you go ahead and run this, you'll get a very big text. You can consider it, if you put a 0 on it, this is gonna be big. Are you ready? So this is too big actually. The thing you gotta know is it's not working in the same way as in Word. The text is not getting as big as in Word. It's smaller, but it still can get pretty big. If you want to get it bigger, you can use languages like CSS and other languages. Alright, so now we've learned even more about basic documenting. So in the next tutorial, we're gonna have the final things about basic documenting, and then we'll get into more exciting things like adding pictures and stuff like that. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the Code Conspiracy, and I'll see you next time.